there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a tree with a bird's nest. So here you can see that I'm using my brown pen to draw a tree with a bird's nest. I'm drawing the nest first. Let's draw an oval. As the nest should made with straws, so I'm drawing some straws with my brown pen. Now let's draw the branch of the tree. I'm using my green pen to draw some lips. Let's color the lips with a light green pen. Here's my brown pen again. I'm using a pale green color. Here's my brown pen again. Wow, it's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.